The assessment. The Veth Conclave has assessed 17 civilizations across 4 spiral arms. All of them feared us. Humanity did not. My name is Councillor Sael-Veth. I was dispatched to the 3rd planet of the Sol system on the 14th rotation of the assessment cycle. My instructions were standard: observe, evaluate, and determine whether the species posed a threat or an opportunity. I was told the assessment would take 6 cycles. I returned in 2. The humans offered me tea. I should clarify, they had no reason to believe I was sentient. My observation form, chosen from 17 possible configurations, resembled nothing in their biological record. And yet, the woman at the coast simply sat beside me, poured a cup from a metal vessel, and held it out. She did not speak. She waited. I drank it. That was my first error. Over the following days I watched them. They grieve loudly, not as a warning display, but because the grief overwhelms the container of them. They build monuments to their dead that will outlast their civilization. They quarrel over borders while simultaneously sending food across those borders to strangers they have never met. They have named every mountain on their world and then climbed them for sport. They create art that has no function, music that serves no survival purpose. They take animals they could eat and instead name them, shelter them, mourn them when they die. I observed a human child. She was perhaps 5 rotations old. She showed me a stone she had found. She said, "Look, it is beautiful." It was not beautiful. It was an ordinary piece of compressed sediment. I looked at her face and I understood something I have not been able to unfeel since. She was not lying. My assessment report contains the following conclusion, which I stand by. Humanity is not dangerous because they are cruel. Plenty of species are cruel. We have met them. We have managed them. Humanity is dangerous because they do not know what they are. They have not yet mapped the full territory of their own capacity for endurance, for attachment, for war, for kindness, all of it running in the same body at the same time. They build, they burn, they sit in the ruins and write songs about it. The conclave asked me to rate the threat level on a scale of 1 to 9. I marked it 10. Then I poured myself the last of the tea, looked out at that small blue world from the transport bay, and felt something I have not recorded in my official report. I hope they make it. I genuinely hope they make it.